Hello everyone, this is Shrutoshini. I welcome you all to my channel Light of Life with Shrutoshini. Before starting the video, I would request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notifications about my new uploads, and also if you like the video, please like, comment and share. Once a boy asked his father, "Father, what is the cost of my life? Because all the time my friends tell me that nothing is going to happen by me. I will not be able to do anything in life. I will stay mediocre, and they laugh at me by saying all these." After listening to all these words, my morale has completely broken. I am feeling as if I will really not be able to do anything in life. "Father, you only say, do my life really has no price?" Then his father told him, "Son, if you really want to know the price of your life, then I am giving you a stone. Take this stone and go to the market, and if somebody asks you its price, then without answering, just show your 2 fingers." Then that boy went to the market with that stone. He sat in the market for some time with the stone in hand on a bench. A little while later, an elderly lady came to the boy seeing that stone in his hand and asked for its price. The boy stayed absolutely quiet and showed his 2 fingers to the elderly lady. The lady then said, "200 rupees? Okay, I will buy the stone from you." The boy went in shock listening to the elderly lady. He was startled thinking that the price of this small stone is 200 rupees, because stones like this usually can be found in any place, but the price of this is rupees 200. The boy quickly went to his father and informed that, "Father, I met an elderly lady in the market and she agreed to pay rupees 200 for this stone." Listening to this, his father now told him, "Now take this stone to a museum, and there if somebody asks you for the price, then don't say anything and again show 2 fingers to that person." Then the boy went to a museum, and there a person's eyes went on the stone, and then he came to the boy and asked for its price. The boy kept silent again and showed 2 fingers to him. Then the man said, 20,000 rupees. Okay, I am ready to pay you rupees 20,000 for this stone. Give this stone to me." The boy got startled again and immediately went to his father and said that, "Father, I met a man in the museum and he was ready to pay rupees 20,000 for this stone." Then his father said, "Now I will send you to a last place. This time you will go to a valuable gem store, and there if somebody asks you the price of this stone, then don't say anything and again show that person your 2 fingers." That boy quickly went to a valuable gem store, and there he saw an elderly man standing behind the counter. When the stone in the boy's hand caught the attention of the old man, he got startled. He got out from the back of the counter and took the stone from the boy's hand. Seeing the stone, the old man said, "Oh my God, I have spent my whole life in search of this stone. From where have you got this? What is the price of this stone? How much money do you want for this stone?" That boy then also kept quiet and showed 2 fingers. Then that old man told him, "How much? 2 lakh rupees? Okay, I am ready to pay rupees 2 lakh for this stone, but please give this stone to me." That boy was not being able to believe his own eyes. He quickly went to his father and said, "Father, the old man at the gem shop agreed to give me rupees 2 lakh for this stone." Then his father told him, "Now do you understand the price of your life? Your life depends on this, that where do you want to place yourself? It is you who have to decide whether you want to make yourself a 200 rupees stone or a 2 lakh one. In this world, there are few people who think of others as themselves and determine the cost of others the same way. But in this world, there are such people also who will understand your right price. Those people will not think of you like themselves. Those people will take you as your own self. Hence, without lowering your morale by listening to others, create your own value. Today, the people who are laughing at you, one day they will try to prove themselves as your acquaintance by stating their relationship with you or by stating how they have met you. After listening to the video, if you like it, then please press the like button. Do not forget to comment and share with your friends.